to church on Sunday. This Sunday, I asked my pastor, Pastor Clarence Keaton of True Worship Church in East New York, if the choir and he could come do this next song with me. So I'm going to welcome the choir out right now. Please give it up for True Worship Choir. Wave and give them some nice light. I'm going to walk in here because then they have to put the light on. This is not my church attire, I'm just telling you. So it's all right. But for tonight, we're going to do a song. And I'm just waiting for one more person to get into position. All right. Apparently my pastor is here. You see, last time everybody thought we were making it up that, like, you know, tried to have a little stunt that nobody had called my pastor to the stage and it was just a drama. But anyway, we can begin the song now, but please, guys, don't make me stop it if he's not there, because I will do that. I don't mean to do it, because I'm not trying to be a diva,